What is going on, everybody?
Oh, top one away.
It is Fitz and Ryan and a special guest, Vaco. Vaco, how'd you make it down here this evening?
I walked the whole way.
Well, Vaco's going to be joining us tonight.
3-day journey. He walked here. You should see it on the YouTube channel. He's got a YouTube. It's Vaco.
Route at this. It was supposed to be low key and sheesh factory meet, but I don't know what it is now. It's still pretty big. We're gonna walk around and see what we can find. Yo, what do you think? First impressions of a Raleigh meet right now?
It's a lot of like stock cars.
Yeah, for sure.
But it's deep. It's deep as fuck.
Dude, it is deep.
Usually, I will say the Garner place, it's usually like 3/3 of this size, but it is pretty big.
There's a lot of cars.
Greg is also outside tonight in the RX-8. What's it need? Just a little tune-up?
Sure, man.
Laurel looking gorgeous out here this evening. Yo, you washed your car, dude. It looks great.
First time in 4 years.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
R32 looking good out here this evening. Got the new wheels on there. Again, shout out to Melvin, new tires.
Who owns that car?
Dude, I don't know. I follow him on TikTok.
What's his TikTok?
Yo, Vaco, this shit hard. The dragon livery? The dragon's on it, bro.
That's my boy. That's my boy.
Vaco is interested in this G. At least the front of it. The front of this G. I don't know. Bro needs a spacer. But he's got the right idea.
Yeah.
Valid.
He saw this thing pulling in. Peach Shicey. We saw a Peach Shicey pulling in. Yo, this thing fucks. This thing is so tall. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't know what size this is either. Look how tall this shit is, bro. This is sick. You guys wouldn't drive a donk, you're tripping. Go! One flame, bro. Call that for one flame. The audio, bro. Oh my gosh.
You didn't see the whole thing. Wait.
Damn.
Yo,
This Volkswagen, bro. This Volkswagen is really hard. I like this car, except for the hill climb wing. Yeah.
It's terrible.
All right, little mismatch town going on. What are they? ESRs? Nah. Dude. Is that a G? Dude. Oh my God. I'm still a whore for R35s. Dude. Is that Ruby.G35? Oh my. Is that Ruby?
Last one of this car. Is that Ruby?
Oh my Ruby. Dude, I've been wanting to meet you. All right, yo.
Watch out.
Yo, this shit's about to blow up, dog. Shit is about to blow up.
That shit's so badass.
It's not doing a burnout.
It's just oil. Straight oil.
Gosh, dude.
Hey, a whole lot of muscle. Yeah. Hey, I had to stop. Where?
Battle of the shitters. Oh my God.
He got holes in his muffler. No.
So Vic, I'll ask you once again. Welcome to North Carolina. What do you think of the first
Amazing,
meet
best
here?
meet of my fucking life.
Dude, Ryan, what do you think right now? North Carolina meets, what you feeling?
It feels like Gatlinburg after me, dude.
Dude, for real,
Dude,
we're in Gat.
The
We are
cars here is crazy.
we are back in Gat, baby. Let's go.
Oh, there we go. That.
Okay, yo, this thing actually fucks. Dude, are those baby slicks? Hey, good car. Again, Vaco, out of nowhere, man. Another random, really nice car. That's like two in a row.
It looked like a.
Dude, it's a shit show out here tonight. This is what
I'm selling my car.
This is the 4th G to be doing this shit, bro. They can't stand it. They cannot stand it.
Just walking towards it. Look at it. There's so many people like, oh my god.
Oh my god,
I have
bro.
to see this.
Shit. Yo, fresh top for the R32. Blow it up! Blow it up! Get me the fuck out of here, bro. It's been about 3 minutes. He's still going. Hey man, I appreciate all the support with the car though, for real. There's a V-Lone soldier.
Where?
Over here, bro.
Gotta get a flick.
Bro,
Where?
right here.
there.
Yo, can I get a picture with him? Hold this. What's up, bro? What's up? Good evening, good evening.
Y'all really out here filming, bro?
Hell yeah.
bro.
Bro, did you get it?
How do I take a picture?
No, you just filming's fine.
Y'all do YouTube?
Yeah, man.
He does.
You?
Yeah, a little bit.
Hell yeah.
I just started.
What's going on, guys? I am here with Ezekiel at the local meet. What do you think about this, man?
It's the best meet ever, man.
Really, you about it?
Man, I love this.
All right.
I'm from Texas, so we don't never have this. So,
Man, we do it like this is like bigger than in Texas, man.
yeah, y'all doing it bigger than Texas right now.
That's crazy.
Cops are hot in Texas right now.
All right, man. What car did you want to get? What were you thinking about?
I wanted a scat. But
Yeah.
the inflation is crazy right now.
Facts.
So I'm thinking about just going with a 5.0 or STI.
Word. That would be sick, man. That would be sick. What's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Ezra So Smooth.
Hell yeah.
It's actually called Fast and Smooth now. We just did a name change on
Word.
it. And please subscribe if you can.
All right, man. Go check him out. Nice talking
Got
to you, bro.
Thank you, bro. Oh, what's your YouTube? I got a phone.
It's been about 20 more minutes. What do you think about the North Carolina meets round 3?
Example right there.
Pretty bad.
That's hard. He's on 35.
I'm 35.
Again, dude, this Jetta right here, hard as a bitch. All right, here we just have a E90. Just kidding, with a big single massive turbo on the side of it. We got Ty's car, Millennium Jade. This thing's very clean inside and out. What are these called in Japan? A Q?
This is a Y33 SEMA.
SEMA. Very fucking clean. Q45 in America. Two-tone, silver, white, lowered on some. What are those, man?
Let's Orpheus.
I don't know. They look good as fuck though. The white with the two-tone, very nice. Dude, is this what I think it is?
We got it.
R32.
I think it is. I think it is roughly 500 wheel on some LMG GTs, track car. I think sick. Your bets. Is this Camaro with one fat wheel in the rear and one skinny wheel in the front? Any fast? It's 8.6 right here. Pretty good. This is a real El Camino right here. Look at this shit, bro. Yes, sir. All right, well, there is hella cops here. That's where we're gonna call it. Probably going back to Ryan's or going out with the cars. I don't know yet.